lowered wall down in the bottom there, flattish terrace along the back of there, and then gentle batter coming up the bank here. Then, see in a minute. Then the ground here where the bucket is higher than the track, so any water that comes down the bank from our left will would have to get up and over that bund, having already gone over the top of our drain that we're going to be putting in, to be able to get down and cause any damage down there by that wall and by them houses. So we've done all that, shaped that all up, so now we're just putting the topsoil back on it. So initially we stripped the topsoil off, we put it in a pile at that end, down there, and there's another pile there. It's some lovely topsoil. It's not nice material because it's got a lot of turf in it and a lot of small tree roots, the trees that were here. But it's not too bad. It's going down all right. It's not to be manicured into a lawn or anything anyway. So we shall just work it probably with the quad bike and some arrows possibly. I don't know, that might cause more trouble. Might just root all the clods up, I don't know. Or all the lumps of turf, I should say, up. I don't know, we'll see. Or that or the Cambridge roll behind it. I don't know, we'll do something. But yeah, we're just getting a cover of topsoil, evenish layer of, I don't know, somewhere between 100mm and, well, probably between 100 and 200mm, I expect. 4 and 8 inches, something like that, of topsoil, so it'll grow tidy, and soften it all up as well. Just get it flowing, get it looking right. Hopefully, get it looking fairly natural. There's an area behind me that we haven't finished profiling the subsoil, and we're not going to put topsoil over it yet because over there to the left of that power pole there, or left of that transformer poles, we've got to dig out along there, keep it away from them stay wires, and we've got to put concrete Lego blocks, interlocking blocks along there. So there's going to be there's going to be material to come out of there. So we're going to use this area down the end, down there, to put that, to lose that material. So we're only really going to come to probably about here with the topsoil. Just run this. Hopefully it'll pretty much use this pile up and down the bottom end here. Get that over it, and then that'll do on this stage. Once we've done that retaining wall and whatnot, the Lego blocks, we've reduced any material we're going to soil-wise. We'll lose that in here, and then we'll finish the topsoil and over the top of the lot. It'll all be ground then. We've not had a dumper on this job at all. We've done all the actually carrying and moving of soil really with the 3CX. You can argue well, it's a bit steady, you know, you only get a ton at a time in the front bucket. Well, yeah, fair comment, but you can put it exactly where you want it. You haven't got a great big dollop where you don't want it. You know, you've just got one little pile to sort out and level or whatever. And when we were stockpiling it, again, the piles could be built with the machine in one go. So it makes sense for us. Saves jumping on and off machines as well, or saves having somebody else on a dumper, which, say, we don't feel is needed. So yeah, it suits us to do it this way. 2 machines running as a pair, as we very often do. Seems to be a system that seems to work quite well for us.